Okay, hello dear friends, good morning, such a beautiful day. And the summer has started, I am on vacation, so I want to take this opportunity to just get through my, I always wanted to do, something I always wanted to do, that is to practice Khan Academy, do every problem. So in Khan Academy, there are some Algebra 1, so I don't think I will do that. Maybe geometry. We will start from Algebra 2, Trigonometry, Pre-calculus, Statistic, and starting from a little bit more interesting ones. And so you can go to, for example, Algebra 1. Khan Academy is very developed, in my opinion, in maths section, and they have a lot of practice, so you can click on practice. For some other classes, for example, so for AP chemistry, there is not enough practice. I think when there is a test, it makes your learning more effective. Test is one of a very effective way of learning. So there are practice. I have done a lot of them, and you can see anything in maths. They usually have a lot of practice. So this one is model with function combination. It's a word problem, so take some time. I will do it in my leisure time instead of this kind of video time to take too much time. And these will take a lot of calculating time, at least for me, so I will do it later. Parts of complex number. This, you can see some of them are quite repetitive. What is a part of what is the real part of z? So it's negative 91. And what is, let me do it, negative 91. What is the real part of z? What is the imaginary is 14.6. And that's it. You do not need to write I. See, we are right. Okay, let's move on and see if we can. Real part is negative 60. And imaginary part, let me write negative 12i. Do I need to write this I? Check. Oh, so you are almost there. We could not understand your answer. Please check your answer before an extra text for extra text or symbol. So you do not need to put this I in. So negative 12. Did I write negative? Negative 12. Yes, and that is right. Okay, so we will not do, well, let me just finish it. What is the real part and imaginary part? Real part, negative 19. Yes, this one, D is the right answer. Okay, so you can practice a lot, and there is a result. And when you make it right, there is feu d'artifice, firework, confetti come out, and it's very encouraging. Multiplying complex number, it's quite, it becomes very tedious. Add polynomial, yes, it's quite tedious. Polynomial and rational relationship. It's interesting, but it's just needs a lot of symbols when you type it in. This one is k minus 1. For example, k minus y. Let me put it a bit bigger. K, I will put the sound a little bit louder so that you can hear it. Okay, this over you can put a parenthesis over 3. Yes, we are right. And this one you need to factor both, and that takes some time. I will do it later. But anyway, that is a very effective way of learning. Okay, and so let's browse through Khan Academy and see what we can practice on. I do not need this light. So Algebra 2, Trigonometry, there are a lot of practices, you see, a lot of practice, and anything in math, multivariable calculus, there are practice. That is very interesting. I like it. I like when there is test. And let's do another subject. Differential equation. Oh, there are practice. That's good. So anything in the math part, usually they have linear algebra. There is practice everywhere in the math part. Now we move to physics. Let's see if there is practice in physics. Oh, good. They have practice. So you listen to the video and then you can do the practice, which can ingrain all the knowledge in yourself. AP Physics. Let's see. Oh, there is practice. That is so good. Let's see. This must be a good team of AP Physics. That it must be one section, and they are doing. Oh, AP Physics 2, there's no practice. Yeah, there's no practice. And chemistry, there is practice. This is a normal chemistry. There are practices, and I have done a lot of them. I didn't do this one, maybe because I have done this. Okay. And AP Chemistry. Unfortunately, AP Chemistry, there is no practice. I'm not lying, because you can see there is no practice in any of these lessons. There are lesson. This sign, this triangle sign is video, and this document sign is reading, but there is no practice. It's you can listen to them, but you cannot practice and put it in practice. Organic chemistry. Let's see. Oh, there is still no practice. How can we learn without test, right? And high school biology and U.S. history, world history. I think those history things is kind of hard, and there is no particular way of measuring it. There is no a rubric to do the measurement. So I will skip that part. Computer programming. Let's see if there is practice. There is no practice. Why do you make a lesson without practice? That is not making any sense. Hour of code. See if there. Oh, there's not even. I don't know. Maybe. But I will focus on algebra and trigonometry. This video does not go into any detail of learning, but I just want to open up a window for you to see that there are many things you can do and you can practice on, make your summertime interesting and also a learning experience. This is one of the better way of learning. do practice and you get result. And you save money, right? If you have a tutoring, every tutoring is $50 per hour, $60 per hour or higher. I don't know the price, but anyway, it will spend a lot of money. But if you practice here, and you can save your parents' money and go to school, go back to school with more confidence. You don't need to have to be A students, B students. You can be just a normal kids, but with less stress and with more prepared mindset, right? I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day and enjoy your summer. Happy every day. Now let's take a look at outside, bright sunshine. See, I have a pretty goofy road recorder. Pretty good, but I do not use that much. I love you. I really do.